This is part 3 of my interview with Terry Ashton. He's discussing what makes a perfect order at SunTech Doors. Steps involved with a custom door manufactured process.
Well, the most important thing is in taking the order from our customers, and we have over 100 aluminum contractors all over the state of Florida. One of the important things is to make sure that we are writing down or writing up the order in line with what the customer wants. Very often, if you're not careful, verbal communication can lead to mistakes. And so we aim to, with every order, to write it up in a way which we think makes sense, and if not, we communicate that with the customer. We do not like verbal communication, color-wise, size-wise. If we do that, and we've learned the hard way sometimes, then mistakes are made. So the important thing is that when we get an order from the customer, we understand what he wants, we write it up on what he wants, and then we read it back to him to make sure we don't end up doing the wrong thing.